Good evening, everybody. My name is Kip, and you're watching America Bumper to Bumper. Today we are on a one video series, one little thing from a car show out in Newbury, Vermont. This is the Toys for Tots car show. Sit back and enjoy. Vroom vroom. Starting off this video with this SN95 Mustang. Isn't she a beaut? Very nice convertible. It's a GT too. GT as well. Great car. Now we're looking at a 23 Ford T-Bucket. Really nice hot rod. The size of those rear tires just, made me, my eyes blow out of my head. Just so wide and so beautiful. And now we're looking at a Plymouth Barracuda. I believe this is going to be 72 to 74. I think it's a 74, but again, I don't know for sure. '68 Pontiac GTO. If I remember correctly, the owner was laughing about the goat stuffed animal that he's got on top of the of his car, and he said that's had more pictures taken of it than the car itself. Sitting next to the GTO is a '74 Plymouth Duster Scamp. That is some great artwork on the hood. Really nice looking Scamp. 1970 Mercury Cougar. Love the color of this car. Interior as well. I don't know what you call the color of the exterior. It's almost like a wine color. I don't know. It's really, really nice. And now we're looking at a early second gen Camaro, 70, 73, somewhere in that range. Very nice Camaro. I love the interior, exterior. Took me a long time to have these Camaros grow on me. As I've seen more and more of them, they're really, really beautiful cars. And now we're looking at a late third gen Corvette, C3 Corvette. So this is somewhere in the 78 to 82. This has got a really nice body kit. Generally, you don't see these with body kits, and the ones you do see are kind of but this looks really nice on the car. '40 Ford Deluxe Business Coupe. Love the louvered hoods. I don't know if you noticed that. Nice flathead 8. And here we have a Plymouth delivery. Not sure the year on it. I'm gonna say it's late 30s, early 40s, and the paint job on it is really, really nice. say very unique. 19, I believe, a 70 Chevy Nova. Love the paint on this car. The stripe that goes up the hood and then down the sides. Very unique, very cool. And this thing is really, really cool. We got a 1937 Ford 2-ton truck that the owner has turned into a rig, a big rig. I do not believe they ever came like this on their own. Please correct me if I am wrong, but the work that's been done on this thing is just amazing. And here we have a DeSoto, 38, I believe, DeSoto sedan. Someone's really into skeletons. What a gorgeous front end on that car. Got another 70 Chevelle. I'm sorry, 70 Nova. Pinstriping on this car, which you'll see here and there, is absolutely gorgeous. And again, if you guys have never seen anybody freehanding pinstripes and whatnot, it is such an amazing art and well worth the time if you're ever at a car show and see it. We have a 67 Kaiser Jeep military. This is an M715. Pretty cool looking Jeep. '68 Chevelle convertible. And make sure to pause so you can read all the stuff about this car. It's pretty interesting, especially that bottom line. Beautiful. And sitting next to the 68 Chevelle convertible is a 68 Camaro convertible. Love the shift lever for the auto trans. That's I've always loved that when I've seen the Camaros. Just very, very interesting. Again, pause, read more about this 68 Camaro. (1934) three-window coupe, Ford three-window coupe. Louvers on the hood are really cool, and supercharged. Wow, wish they would have had the engine compartment open to be able to take a look at that. And this interior, trying to decide if that's alligator or snakeskin. I'm thinking probably alligator. Between all the louvers, chop top, the interior. Boy, money has been put into this car, and it really shows. A better look of the interior. Such a beautiful car. And now we're looking at a Ford F1 pickup. I spent a couple of minutes talking with the owner. He's done a lot of work on it. I wish I could have had that in the video with the rest of it, but there's music blaring, and YouTube's rules on music that you don't own just made it not able to put it in. But he's owned it for past, I believe it's 5 or 6 years. He bought it after a motorcycle accident. He's done general maintenance, but not a whole lot beyond that. Bought it pretty much the way it was. And now we're looking at a Lincoln Town Car. This car was in one of our videos from last year. This was in the Darling car show, so I'll put the link in here so you guys can go and check out more about this car there. C4 Corvette. I'm thinking this is going to be fairly early in the C4 run. 84, 85. And we're looking at another T-bucket. This one is, I really love the trailer that they made out of the Coke cooler. Paint's great on this car. High-rise manifold, everything. Very cool. I think this is early 20s would be my guess. '65 Mustang. I believe this car is veteran owned, so thank you for your service. '85 Pontiac Grand Prix. This one is also has been in the Darling series of car show series. So we'll I think it's actually in the same video as that Lincoln. So check it out. '31 Plymouth sedan. I like the little touch of the fake bullet holes on it. Really nice interior. Front, anyways, looks like it's been a little upgraded. Back still looks like it's fairly stock. And it's really cool. I don't know if you'll be able to see it in there, but there's a little model car of this. Yeah, right there. '73 Camaro Z28. Type LT. At least the steering wheel is a Type LT. Orange definitely looks good on these Camaros. I believe this is going to be 83, 84 Mustang convertible. Very nicely kept car, whether this has been restored or is all original. Very nice. '55 Chevy Bel Air. Top it all off, it's convertible, which is really, really nice. Great interior on this car. Beautiful red paint. Excuse me. Ford F-150. This is, I'm going to guess, 92, 3. Excuse me, somewhere in that general area. This is one of the nicest single cab, long bed, 90s Ford F-150s I've ever seen. It is absolutely in beautiful shape. Generally, these things were worked to death and didn't last. This is a beautiful truck. And sitting next to that beautiful truck is this really beautiful 32 Ford 3-window coupe, chop top, supercharged V8. The pinstriping, I won't say pinstriping. The side graphics in the back are amazing. The interior, wow. The amount of, again, as I said with the other one, the amount of money that must have been put into this car just really floors me. And it is just beautiful. The purple paint, wow, wow. Final car for this video, 1969 AMX. This AMX is also from a previous show. This was in the Fraser Insurance Car Show. I will link that into here as well. And, you know, AMX is, you know, best car. AMC's answer to the pony cars. We hope you enjoyed this video on the Toys for Tot Car Show in Newbury, Vermont. If you did, give it the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when new videos are being posted. Finally, make sure to follow us on our social media because there's going to be some stuff on there that you will not see anywhere else. Have a day. Hopefully it's a good one.